Hey, good evening, folks. This is another S Group Forex investment daily review video. This is review video number 6 now. And as you see, if you guys checked my last video, I combined and reinvested the earnings that I made from the previous 2 weeks. And after a 5% fee, that came to $416. So now I have 13,329.58 in the system that I'm trading with. And we just got our earnings today. As you can see right in the middle, it says monthly income, because my monthly income got reset back to zero after I reinvested my earnings. So now today I made $61.99. It was a really great day today, guys. As you see at the top here, trading percentage was 0.64 earnings. So I got 75% of that, which is $61.99 off of the money that I have in the system. Beautiful, guys. So I'm now at somewhere around 13,400. So I have another about $600 left to go till I reach 14K. It's very exciting, guys. Like now I'm at a point where if the month, the earning percentage on each month from here on in, which I'll show you here, you can take a look at the graph, guys. It'll tell you a basic percentage breakdown of every month. So if the month that we're in right now is average of 10% or higher, I'll make $1,000 for the month. Some months, as you've seen in the past, have been higher, 15%, 12%. These months have been around 10. So yeah, and this is the month we're in right now. So far it's 4.89. It's still early in the month, but yeah, that's where I'm at here, guys. Yeah, this money's just earning on autopilot, my Forex investment. So if you guys know anything about Forex trading, you don't have to know anything with this, guys. All you have to have is money invested in the Forex market, and the computerized bot does the trading for you automatically. It's beautiful. If you want to sign up and be a part of this, there's the link in the description down below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and then you'll be able to see all my results as I progress along. Yeah, so the sign up link is in the description down below. You can join my team. Also, my email address is in the description below as well. So you can shoot me an email. Maybe we can have a chat on the phone, whatever. But this is very, very exciting to be a part of, guys. If you want to make some money on the side, some passive income, it's all done on autopilot, guys. And as you can see underneath the investment tab, see, this is the money I've invested in Forex, guys. There's other areas of the company you can invest your money in, which I've touched on in a previous video. But so far, I'm just doing the Forex market, so that's how much money I have invested in there. And down below, if you guys are looking here, you can take a look at the Forex trading history. It goes back to about the end of 2017, I believe. And there's also the IPO trading history, which is, yeah, the IPO, which is actually located underneath here, guys. Whoops, underneath investments. That's just, yeah, the different stocks that they trade with, so to make money in the system as well. So yeah, guys, this is very exciting. I mean, if you look at it, I've been starting this, or I've been involved with Forex market. I've had money invested since October of 2020, and I started off with a couple $100, built it up to about 4K by April 2021, and now it's May 2022, and this is what I'm at here, guys, just letting it run on autopilot. So I went from 5K all the way up to this amount. And then, of course, today I earned $61.99. This is how much the money I've made all time, guys, since I started. $9,214.19. It's beautiful. And it just keeps going on and on forever. So, getting near the end of my 5-minute daily review video. This is review video number 6. Again, guys, the sign-up link is in the description down below. Click on the link, sign up, and be part of my team, guys. I'll be able to walk you through everything, explain how you can get your Forex investment account funded, and then in about a day or two, it'll start running on autopilot for you guys. And you'll start earning money, and you'll get up to the higher tiered system. which I'm at 75.25 right now, but it'll go up to the next level as time goes on. So yeah, that concludes my 5-minute daily review video, and yeah, see you guys next time.